This is the step by step on how to make Roblox GFX. First, you would like to have on your desktop is a Roblox Studio. If you do not have it, you can go to your Google Chrome and type for this Roblox Studio on your Google search, and you can click this Roblox Studio, and you can just click this Start Creating, and then the download will pop up here. And the second is you can now open your Roblox Studio. And before entering this, you will have to sign in with your Roblox account. And you can now click this new button and just click this base plate so you can now edit your character. And then after that, you can now go to plugins and click this load character. If you do not have this load character, you can go to manage plugins and then go search with the load character. And then there you have it. There is a lot of options here that you can choose from. I choose this. I chose this with that installed here on my Roblox Studio, and then you can now use it. And just click your account here, your username, and your character. Just click the R6, and that's the setting: pushable on, auto update off, show name tag on, and just click insert selected and close this window or the plugin and then drag your character here in the center of your base plate and just right there. And then you will have this animation editor again on the plugins, and you can find it here again on the manage plugins. If you do not have this, go and click this or search this animation editor. And then there's a lot of options here too, but I chose this and installed this on my Roblox Studio. And then now we can start creating poses from our Roblox. Just click the torso of your character and click select and just click this anchor. So yeah, click every body part. What pose would you like? I'm gonna use this one like this, and I'll just go with this, and that's it. Then go to click this on the upper right panel of the Roblox Studio. It's your username. Just click this and go to model or home. You can find this anchor. Click that. You can also find it on the model tab. Click on that also. If you see that is grayish, it's on. And then go again with the plugins or to the plugins and then click again this animation editor and then just click OK. And then there you have it. You have your pose for your character, and then go to the file. Go to this again with your username, upper right of the Roblox Studio, and just click right click on your mouse and just click the export selection and choose where you want to save this. I will now enter this as sample 3 and then just save, and you can now close this Roblox Studio. And after that, you will need Lightroom Blender. Here on the Google Chrome also, it's blender.org, and if you're using Windows, you can click Windows for download, and if you're using Mac OS, Linux, and other versions, you can click this other versions. And then we will proceed with the Live Blender. Here, this is the one. So you want to open the file and then click on the import and then click on the wavefront and then go with the sample tree, the one I just saved from the Roblox Studio, and just import wavefront only. And then you just want to click this and just click edit and menu search. You just want to type origin and then select this origin to geometry. And then there you have it. You can now move your character according what you would like, and that's it. You can move it by clicking this blue button and the red arrow. Sorry. And also, if you want your character to be glossy, you can adjust this light also. You just have to press the warm and click pink or any color that you like. And also for the cold, I choose white. And then go to um, sample, and then just click this material and just type 0.4. And for the roughness, 0, you can input 0. And for the sheen, you can input 0.14 on the roughness. And then you can go to the render properties. If you want it to be glossy, again, you will always click this denoise, and at the bottom you will always click or tick this transparent button. Okay, after that, you can now see. After that, if you want to have a light exposure, you can adjust this on the render option. You can adjust this on your own perspective or on your own like. And then after that you will click the last step, which is the render, and click the render image, and you can see here it's rendering now. You will see this, it's rendering. It may take a minute or 2 to 5 minutes, I think. And if you're satisfied with this look or with this pose on your character, you can now save it on your desktop. You can go to the image or click this image and just save this. I just save mine. Just click to save this and save. And I have mine. I think it's just rendering, so the save button is not allowed. But we will just wait for a couple of minutes to save this character. Okay, now it's already rendered. You can go click image again and just save. And save where you want to save it. I will save mine on the pictures and just type sample and save it. And then you can close this. If you want to save it, but I will not save mine. And then you can go where you save it and then go to the pictures, and here it is. You have your own Roblox GFX.